Hi, we are from Group 10 and this is a role play of process of applying the car loan. Good morning, miss. Welcome to my bank. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am here to apply for a car loan.
Oh, I see. Let me guide you to the banker officer for more details about your purpose.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, miss. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to apply for a car loan for myself.
Oh, but before we proceed, what types of car loans do you want to apply for? For your information, in my bank we provide 3 types of car loans: new car loans, second-hand car loans, and graduate car loans.
I want to apply for new car loans. Can you explain further about it?
Yes, of course, miss. Before that, I will explain briefly about the loans. In car loans, there are types of interest rates, which are fixed rates and variable rate loans.
I already researched the loan, but I didn't understand the concept between these two kinds of interest rate. Can you explain it more?
Yes, of course. Fixed rate car loans are the most popular among car buyers, with interest calculated depending on the principal borrowed and the duration of the loan period. Your monthly payment is fixed from the start and will remain until the loan is paid off. Meanwhile, the interest on a car loan with a variable rate is calculated differently than the interest on a car loan with a fixed rate, since it is based on the bank's base lending rate (BLR).
Can you give me an example? I am confused about the monthly payment.
Yes, sure. For example, your monthly payment for the fixed rate car loan is Rm 1,500 and it will be the same from the beginning until the end of the loan period despite the changes in the base lending rate. But at a variable rate, the monthly payment will change depending on the base lending rate. If the rates increase, you have to pay more for the interest.
Now I understand the differences between the two interest rates. However, based on your explanation, I prefer the fixed car loan because I do not have to pay extra interest since the payment will remain unchanged until the end of the loan period.
Yes, as other customers do, you would prefer the fixed car loan over the variable rate loan. Then, I will now explain the steps to apply for car loans.
Okay, sure.
First, the banker will ask a few basic questions to determine whether you are eligible for the loan. The main conditions for applying for car loans are you must be a Malaysian citizen, aged between 18 and 60 years old, and the minimum income must be Rm 2,000 and above. After the banker sees all the eligibility, they will give you the Maybank personal loan form for you to fill in with all the data needed. The data include your name, identity, card number, address, and contact details.
I understand this first step. Based on your clarification, I am already eligible to apply since I am a Malaysian citizen and my age is also above 18 years old. What is the next step?
Excellent. Then I will continue to the second step. The banker will do a credit check on the customer before giving out a loan. It is to make sure that the customers can pay back the loan. To evaluate the creditworthiness of a customer, the customer needs to government's issue identification documents such as an identity card and driving license. Besides that, you can do a quick online credit check by yourself.
So, in this step, the bank will evaluate my creditworthiness?
Yes, that is right. I will move on to the third step, asking the customer to provide a few documents to apply for the loans.
What kind of documents do I need to prepare?
You need to prepare the photocopy of the National Registration Identity Card or NRIC, driving license, latest 2 months salary slips, latest EA or EPF statement or employment confirmation, or 3 months bank or passbook statement ASB or ASN, and spouse details. An RIC and latest 2 months proof of income if to support household income.
I see. I can prepare all of the documents needed by the bank. After that, is there another step that needs to be done?
Yes, the last step is a settlement. For the last step, the bank and auto dealer will communicate with each other to allow the auto dealer company to send the vehicle document transfer to the bank. After the bank receives the documents and decides to approve the loan, the auto dealer arranges a date and place to pick up your new car. That's all about the last step.
I totally understand all of the steps that you explained to me. After this, I will apply for the loan since I know all the steps necessary to apply for a car loan.
I feel relieved to hear that. I hope you can get your car loan approved for your new car. I will see you again as my customer soon. Thank you for coming.
Sure, I will come back again if I already prepare all of the documents needed. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Bye.